Presentation of my family and mine. My mother is Olga Lucia Cárdenas. She is 46 years old. Works as a fiscal assistant. She lives in Tuna. My mother is very cooperative and cheerful, of medium height. Her eyes are honey colored and her hair is light chestnut. My father is Carlos Arturo Rojas. He is 50 years old. Works in the alcaldía. He lives in Tuna. My father is funny and sometimes of bad temper. Is high. Her eyes are coffee and her eye is black. My sister is Karen Sofia. She is 14 years old. She is student in the Normal Femenina. She lives in Tuna. My sister is friendly and student. She is a little tall. Her eyes are coffee and hair is black. My daughter is Maria Jose Perez. She is a year and a half. She spends majority of her time with me. She lives in Tuna. My daughter is beautiful. She loves to play. She is very tall for her age. Her eyes is wavy and chestnut. My personal presentation. My name is Mónica Rojas. I am third semester student in psychology. I was born and grew up in Tuna. I live in Tuna. In the fountain, I am 21 years old. I like to read a lot about history and share with my daughter and my boyfriend. I live with my parents, my younger sister, and my daughter. I love watching a series on TNT about crimes. Thank you. Goodbye.